Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download sales enablement assets from Highspot, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Highspot website and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Highspot dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter relevant keywords related to the sales enablement asset you wish to download. After entering the keywords, press the Enter key or click the search icon. Review the search results displayed on your screen. Find the specific asset you want to download from the list. Click on the asset title to open its detailed view. In the Asset Details view, look for the Download button. The Download button is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. Depending on your browser settings, a prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Confirm the download by following any necessary browser prompts. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the download is finished, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file, which will usually have the name of the asset. You can now open the downloaded asset using the appropriate application. If necessary, organize the asset into your desired folders for easy access. That concludes the step-by-step guide for downloading sales enablement assets from Highspot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.